In this video, I'm going to walk you through getting set up with our starting code. There's two ways you can go about starting a new project. The first way is to install the Angular CLI tool, which is a command line interface for generating new applications and can be found here at cli.angular.io. What you do is first download the CLI through your terminal, and then you can use any of these easy commands to create new projects. The second way is to download or clone some starter code, such as the code given to us by Angular. The link to the official starter template can be found in the setup portion of the guide at angular.io. Angular tells us that we can either clone or download to get going. So this code here in the Angular repo is almost the same as what I'm supplying you with, both in the resources section of this lecture as well as in my own repo in the starter folder at jackblack/learn-angular2. The only difference will be how updated the package.json file is, as Angular works to keep pushing out new updates. So when we open up the starter folder, it looks like this. Using this setup, we only need to do two things to get going. First, we navigate to the location of our folder in our terminal and type the command npm install. This will download all of the dependencies that we need in order to get going. We then type npm start. This will load up our starter app inside of the browser. This will also enable live reloading so that when we make a change to our code and then save the file, our code gets recompiled and changes automatically refreshed inside of the browser. The code that's making this happen is located inside of the package.json file at the top under scripts. Along with starting up our app inside a browser and enabling live reloading, this script is also compiling our TypeScript into JavaScript files. For every TypeScript file, there is a corresponding ES5 JavaScript file, and these JavaScript files are the ones that are being loaded up and read by the browser. Besides that, there's quite a bit going on inside of these starter files, so I've moved all further explanations of what these files do inside of the last section of this course, which is called Setup Revisited.